Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. In Sanskrit, hibiscus is compared with sun for its bright colors and positive energy. In India, this flower is offered to god Ganesha and goddess Kalika. Therefore, in India, whether it's a backyard of bungalow or its balcony of an apartment or even a rooftop of any house, hibiscus is most widely grown plant. If we follow some simple tips and take care of this plant, we'll get flowers all around the year from this plant. This spring season is crucial for any kind of plant. Even in Delhi, it is a semi-desert area and its climates are too harsh for the plants. So after this cold climate in winter, every plant needs a treatment from the cold weather. Now you'll get to see what kind of treatment my mom gives this plant, that throughout the whole year, my mom just needs to give fertilizers and it will bloom by its own. Every plant, my mom only did cutting in the last week of February. Now it's the middle of March. In every plant, new leaves have started to grow. And if you have not still cut your plant, then you still have time to do it. Make sure to do the cutting and this care at the same time. In this time, while doing stem cutting, my mom also does root cutting and changes mostly all of the soil. For this, my mom loosens the soil, takes the plant out of the pot and cuts half of the root. Previously, we have given many videos on how you can fix your root bound plant. Even if the plant does not have root bound, my mom cuts the root in half during this period. Many of us try to grow hibiscus for its pleasing and bright colors. If they get little care, it will reward with many beautiful and mysterious blooms throughout the year, attracting hummingbirds and butterflies and providing the look of a tropical garden irrespective of any variety. And while you're repotting your plant, make sure to use this soil ratio. It's 50% garden soil, 20% coco peat or sand and 30% kitchen waste compost. I have also told you that during this repotting time, my mom does not use any fertilizer except the kitchen waste compost. My mom says that during this time, the plant is already in stress because of the root cutting or the soil change. So after 7 to 15 days, you can apply fertilizers. For the best kind of flowering, you will need specific climate. It is the most important factor since this plant is originated from tropical zone. Hot and humid climate is favorable to grow hibiscus in pot or ground. So for climate, you need 4 to 6 of direct sunlight each day for maximum flowering. Now let me tell you about watering. When hibiscus are in their blooming stage, they require large amounts of water. Your hibiscus will need daily watering in warm weather. After 7 to 10 days, my mom will give a slow releasing fertilizer for the plant. It's absolutely homemade and organic. In this mixture, we have little amounts of citrus peel fertilizer, banana peel fertilizer, eggshell and mustard seed. And in this mixture, the citrus peel fertilizer is the most important as this plant likes acidic soil. And notice carefully how my mom is giving the fertilizer. My mom is giving the fertilizer without touching the plant and rounding it. In this process, the plant can take the fertilizer slowly. If we take care of your plants like this, then monthly if you give fertilizer once, that will be enough. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.